Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking you around this brand new Volkswagen Polo Match Edition that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the modernised Ascot Grey paintwork. Alongside housing your 1 litre TSI engine and efficient automatic transmission, it is the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual or as a first car. It does come complete with plenty of advanced features, including your LED daytime running headlights for enhanced visibility, 16-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round, with your fitted ISOFIX points and central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your central touch display, and again the comfort of your cloth trim, with the added bonus of a glass sunroof above to open up the vehicle in the summer. And for seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel to easily navigate around your digital cockpit. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained on those longer trips, alongside your app Connect to stay connected on the go. Alongside your on-screen vehicle information, you'd also have the activation of your sensors and reversing camera for those tricky manoeuvres, followed by your wireless charging pocket, cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.